Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to unmatch in Badoo. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This is the interface of Badoo, and what we want to do right now is simply go to chats. I'm gonna click on this button right here. Do note that in order to unmatch with someone, initially you have to be matched with them. Right here, as you can see, I have matched with this person. I'm simply gonna go to the chat. I'm gonna click on it, and this will open up. That is the chat. Right here at the very top, you will find these three dots. Simply click on it, and something like this will open up. It's giving you a few options, but worry not. Right here, you can see something like unmatch. Simply click on it. Well, if it asks you for a confirmation, simply hit on confirm or unmatch. And guys, there you go. That's how we unmatch with someone on Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.